Discover the best window installation Tampa has to offer with our expert picture window installation services. Our team specializes in picture windows, Tampa Bay residents trust for reducing energy costs and enhancing home comfort. Whether you're looking for custom window designs in Tampa or need reliable window replacement services in Hillsborough County, we have the solutions you need. For those in need of window replacement in Tampa, Florida, our comprehensive window replacement. Tampa services cover everything from window glass replacement, Tampa Bay, to window frame replacement, Tampa, Florida. We also offer specialized hurricane impact windows Tampa residents rely on for protection during storm season. Our double-pane windows Tampa FL are perfect for improving insulation and reducing noise. Our residential window solutions Tampa FL are designed to meet the unique needs of homeowners, while our commercial window services Tampa cater to businesses looking to enhance their building's appearance and efficiency. We provide window maintenance Tampa services to keep your picture windows Tampa in top condition, including window sealing services in Tampa and window caulking Tampa FL. Enhance your windows with our window tinting services Tampa FL, perfect for reducing glare and increasing privacy. Our window cleaning services Tampa Bay ensure your windows remain spotless, while our window screen installation Tampa keeps pests out. For those needing window hardware replacement Tampa, Florida, our experts are ready to assist. Our window insulation services Tampa are ideal for improving energy efficiency, and our window glazing Tampa Bay services add an extra layer of protection. We also offer window weatherproofing Tampa solutions to safeguard your home against the elements. Our window style consultation Tampa FL helps you choose the perfect design for your space. Accurate window measurement services Tampa Bay are crucial for a perfect fit, and our window installation services in Tampa, Florida ensure a seamless process from start to finish. Trust our vinyl window frames Tampa, Florida for durability and style. Whether you need window maintenance or a complete overhaul, our team is here to help. Choose our window installation Tampa services for quality and reliability. Our picture windows Tampa, Florida is second to none, providing stunning views and natural light. With energy-efficient windows Tampa Bay, you can enjoy a more comfortable home year-round. Explore our custom window designs in Tampa for a personalized touch. Our window replacement services Hillsborough County are designed to enhance your home's value and curb appeal. For residential window solutions Tampa FL, we offer a range of options to suit your style and budget. Our commercial window services Tampa are tailored to meet the demands of businesses seeking efficiency and aesthetics. When it comes to window replacement in Tampa, Florida, our team is equipped to handle any issue, from window glass replacement Tampa Bay to window frame replacement. Tampa, Florida, protect your home with hurricane impact windows. Tampa, designed to withstand severe weather. Our double-pane windows Tampa FL offer superior insulation and noise reduction. Maintain your windows with our window maintenance Tampa services, including window sealing services in Tampa and window caulking Tampa FL. Our window tinting services Tampa FL provide privacy and UV protection, while our window cleaning services Tampa Bay keep your windows sparkling.